Welcome. It is Thursday, December 9th. Our warm-up is who will win the Super Bowl? Anybody have an idea? The agenda today is U5 L15 Hackathon Part 3. Go figure. Do is U5 L11 traversals practice. Goal is students will be able to continue programming an app which uses a database. Translate the paper prototype to their screens. Okay. So we're in Unit 5, Lesson 15 in code.org, Hackathon Part 3. So we are in the build phase, right? Programmers use the chart, your paper chart, to guide you in programming the statements to your program. Step 6, build for designers. Use the chart to guide you in adding screen elements to your program. You can work on a separate computer from your partner. Note, if screens are not deleted before importing the project, you will get an error message because element IDs will be the same. To avoid this, add a blank screen, delete the old project screens, import the finished screens, and then delete the blank screen. Make sure you set your home screen to be the default. That's important. When designers finish the screens, they should start pair programming with their partners. Okay, remember, this is how you exchange screens. Designer, ready to share your screens with the programmer? Follow the steps below. So programmer, add a blank screen, or you can add like ones to all your screen names to make them different. Delete the old project screens, the placeholders, then programmer, click the screen drop down and then click import screen. Well, you're going to need to be using the link to your partner's app. You use the link, you drop it in where it says import screen. Okay, so here it is. So click the screen drop down and then click import. Designer, click to share your project. Copy the link and send it to the programmer. Programmer, paste the link from the designer into the box that's going to come up when you hit import screen. Okay, that once you drop that link in there, it will give you the option of what screens to import. Select to import all of the screens, delete the blank screens, set the home screen to be the default screen. You go to design mode and click on the screen. That does it for you. It should say that that is your default screen or your home screen. All right, the reason you have to add a blank screen is a little complicated. You cannot delete all of the screens from a project. In order to get rid of old project screens, you'll need a new temp screen. Once you've imported the designer screen, you can get rid of the temporary screen. Okay, and importing, the programmer and designer will have used the same element IDs for the placeholder screens and the imported screens. This may lead to problems when importing if the placeholder screens are not deleted first. Everyone remember that? Okay, great work.